I don't know if you all have seen the reports that whooping cough is on the rise. What is that? What does it even mean? I'm Dr. Audra, a viral immunologist, psychiatrist, and author of the children's book, Anjali the Brave, All About Vaccines, and I'm here to break it down for you. Why is whooping cough on the rise? Well, it's primarily getting back to levels that we saw pre-pandemic. And it makes sense because all the mitigation measures that we took to prevent COVID, such as isolating, washing our hands, wearing a mask, those protected not only against COVID, but against a lot of respiratory illnesses. So now that we're not doing that as much anymore, it makes sense that these respiratory illnesses are starting to come back to the levels that we saw before. Whooping cough is a disease that is caused by a bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. It releases a toxin that affects your lungs and your small airways. It can be really, really serious in kids, causing illnesses that result in hospitalization, and about 2% of kids that do contract the illness die. So it's very, very important that we try to do what we can to even prevent the illness. What does it look like? So for the first couple of weeks, it starts off like any other respiratory illness. You might have a little bit of a cough, a low-grade fever, feeling tired, runny nose. But then after about 2 to 3 weeks, that's when those coughing fits starts. That gives it its name. And the cough looks a little bit like And if you have ever seen anyone with this type of coughing, it is really scary. Can you imagine being a parent and having your kid have that cough? And this cough does not go away in a couple of days. It lasts for weeks, sometimes even months. And this cough can be so intense that some people can break their ribs or get hernias from this. So we definitely don't want to have that. If you catch the infection early and you're testing for it by either doing a nasal swab, a throat swab, blood test, even an x-ray, you can treat it with antibiotics, and that's really great. But then later on, an infection is not as helpful. So we want to do what we can to prevent infection. And there are 2 vaccines that can prevent infection. It depends on your age on what vaccine that you get. So if you're an infant from about 2 months to about 6 years, you're going to get the DTaP vaccine. And if you are older, teenager, up until the elderly, you're going to get the Tdap vaccine. And the thing about this vaccine is not only does it protect from pertussis, it also protects from tetanus and diphtheria. So great, you have protection from a lot of illnesses. For adults, it's important that you remember that you get the Tdap vaccine every 10 years. I hope this information was a little bit helpful for you, knowing a little bit more about whooping cough, how you can treat it, how you can prevent it. If you have any more questions, please drop them down in the comments. Take care.